Nigerian students, and I'm so excited to share this opportunity with you. And also, if you're a parent, well, please sit down, relax while I share this opportunity that can help your child to get an amazing opportunity to travel to US almost free. Yes, this is a golden opportunity. Yes. Now, before I say anything, I want you to write down this website, and don't forget, don't rush in hurry. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I am going to take it step by step how to take this opportunity. Write in ng.usembassy.gov/EducationUSA/OFP/2026. That is the website, but please don't rush the website. I want you to share with you what this opportunity is all about. Who are the people that qualifies? Yes, both graduates and undergraduates. So this is an opportunity, to all Nigerian students as US open application to sponsor Nigerians seeking admission in abroad. US is going to sponsor your admission. Yes, from Nigeria. So, and obviously this application has opened since 15th of this month, and the deadline, please listen to me very well, the deadline is 38th of this month. Obviously today is 24, we have 6 days to go. And I'm doing this video because I posted on my status. Some people we've not seen about it, and that's why exactly I am doing this, for Nigerians to take opportunity. It is never late. Now, I will not say much, but please make sure you watch this video to the end. The United States Mission in Nigeria has opened application for 2026 cohort of the EducationUSA Nigeria Opportunity Fund Program, inviting qualified Nigerian students seeking higher education opportunity in the US to apply. Now, the application window is has opened, just like I said, from 15th of this month. It's going to close by 38th, 2024, as at the time of recording. I am recording this video. So, according to the notice, the US Embassy Consulate in Nigeria, the program coordinated by the Public Diplomatic Section of the US Mission through EducationUSA Nigeria is designed to assist, academically outstanding Nigerian students with leadership potential in pursuing their higher education in the United States. Then, according to the mission, the initiative supports access to US higher education while advancing American leadership, commercial diplomacy, and shared economic interests of the United States and Nigeria. This 2026 cohort aligned with freedom. You see, they are using this to mark 250 of American leadership, innovation, and democratic value. That is why they are using this opportunity, sharing this opportunity to Nigerians, especially. I wouldn't know about other country, but I know for Nigeria, this opportunity is real. Now, they said, listen to this, the priority consideration will be given to highest performance students whose academic profile and career align with UN strategic in STEM, AI, and critical emergency technology. What are the benefits? See, the Opportunity Fund Program provides financial support for essential upfront application costs, including standardized testing fee, application fee, and other related expenses. Alright, so to qualify for this opportunity, the applicant must demonstrate academic excellence, leadership potential, and a clear intention to pursue a post-secondary education in United States, and notable achievement, research capability, and a commitment to visa compliance and responsible participation in US exchange programs. Alright, so now, what the participants are expected to uphold is the highest standard of integrity, compliance, accountability, including adherence to all US visa regulation. So now, applicants are required to submit complete application form, academic record, a personal statement, evidence achievement, leadership, research capability, and as well as other opportunity documents before 38th and that is the deadline. The sun that is still shining can still dry that cloth. So it's never late. If you are watching this video now, I want to share the details of what are the documents required. What are the documents required? Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Alright, join me. So welcome to the second part of this video, where I'm going to show you how to fill this form and the required document. Please make sure you watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video, and the ultimate, share with someone. Okay, so let's go. The moment you click on apply, it's going to take you to this page. So please pay attention. It's going to take you to this page. Then this is 2026-2027 opportunity form program application. Now please take note of this. You see this, my name, Akipoboy Olufemi, MC Bobby. Akipoboy Olufemi, rather Gmail. Please, if somebody is applying for you, make sure the person use your email. They need to sign to Google, your Google, either Chrome or whatever, into your name, your email. Don't use someone else's email. Make sure the Google Chrome is, the Google is, you are logged into Google with your name. I hope you get with your email. That is very, very important. You see, the name, email, and photo associated with your Google account will be recorded when you upload files and submit this form. Alright, so application type. Now, for this purpose, let's use undergraduate. Okay, if you don't want to, you can clear it, see, and select whatever. So now, undergraduate. So, location you are applying to, either Abuja Embassy or Consulate Lagos. So just choose which one you think is nearest. Your legal full name, put it according to your passport. Don't forget, according to what? To your passport. Alright, so your email, as I explained to you the other time. So address where you reside. Okay, so say when not a school, at school borders. Primary phone number, please use a working phone number. Please use a working phone number, please. Alright, so sex, male or female. List all your social media accounts and include your username at Instagram, at TikTok, at Facebook, including your YouTube, Twitch. Please, it's very important. And listen to me very well. See, if you have posted all nonsense things on your social media, it is time to go and clear it before you start this application. And that's why I said you should make sure you watch this video to the end. If you have posted rubbish, you are just dancing, you are just doing any shit, you don't post something that makes sense, please go and, or you are talking bad about US, you understand, maybe they can flag you. But because they have artificial intelligence, AI, you understand, they have AI to detect. They have a lot of to detect if you have posted this and that is not in line with the government policy or whatever, or that is does not give value. Talk about value about you. It might hinder your application. Then your father current occupation, workplace, and monthly salary. So please make sure you be logic about it. So your mother current occupation, workplace, and monthly salary. And if your parents are deceased, if they don't buy, so please provide the name, occupation, workplace, and the monthly salary of your legal guardian. Please take note of that. And again, how many direct siblings do you have? I don't know what they want to do with that, but then please make sure you answer those questions logically correctly. So what are their ages for each siblings? Please state whether they are in university, which university they attend, and what grade or level they are in. So what are the total cost of your school fees, including housing and your final school year? Don't forget, I'm using undergraduate as a case study. Also, who paid your secondary school fee? Write it there. So have you or your siblings ever missed a significant part of a school term due to financial issue or strike? If so, please explain logically. You understand? So now the next is going to take you to here, which is academic and school information. Please, this is so important. Pay attention to this. School name and physical address. Again, headmaster, mistress name, cell phone number, and email. Don't go on and copy the number and email and that is not working. Make sure you get the right information of your headmaster or mistress, proprietress, their phone number and their email in case they want to reach out to them. You understand me? So please do that. And undergraduate applicants only. You see, what we are going to provide is your WAEC, your equivalent, maybe NECO. And see here, they wrote 7 A's, 1 B, and 1 C. If you have A's, oh, good for you. But if you have all B's, I wouldn't know. But at least the minimum is 7A, 1B, 1C. And if you're a postgraduate applicant, type not available, NA. In this section, type not available. Now, in case of your graduate applicants, provide your undergraduate degree classification, e.g. first class, second class, or par. I don't think maybe there's anything more. But if you have lesser, try your luck. Who knows? If you are an undergraduate applicant, type not available in this matter. Okay. So now list extracurricular club sports activities that you participate in or have participated in order of importance to you in asterisk. So the one which you are devote the most time and your energy. You see, they really want to know they want to know your value. If you know how to play football, sing, all those things that gives value. You understand your passion, your talent. Please, all those things, please put it there. Okay, so what are the most important academic prize or honor you have been awarded? If any, please don't hesitate to put it there. You understand me? So I'm talking about undergraduates. Okay, so if you're a graduate, I think this information might be different. Maybe I'm going to do another video on graduate, but let's continue on this. So next, please pay attention to this. Write short answer. What field of study do you intend to pursue in the United States? What is your planned career path? And why have you chosen this particular path? You must write it logically. See here, you can, of course, everybody use AI, but then don't use AI that will be generalized. You understand? That some AI could be flat and you just copy and paste from somewhere. If you are using AI to, all this for this to answer this question, please make sure it is not just a common, thing you do, or you have people who can help you to redefine it. Please do it. So beside your primary field of study, what other academic subject or area are you passionate about? What non-academic passion or interest do you have? What do you hope to gain from obtaining a degree in the United States, both academically and personally? You see, they want to make sure you are useful to them, to yourself, to them. We're still going to be useful to Nigeria. We are still going there. Please write it logically. So how do you intend to use knowledge and skill gained from your study in the United States or to contribute to the development of Nigeria? I said it right. In what way do you plan to give back opportunity fund, program network and support future scholars? You see, you must be so logic about the way you answer this question, because those are the things they are going to use in selecting your application. All right, next, this is the most vital area where you are going to add your supporting document. What are the supporting documents? But before I talk about the supporting document, they said all files uploaded must be less than 1 MB. Only PDF file accepted. So all those documents I'm going to mention here, make sure they should first be converted to PDF format. Please take note of this first. You understand me? Because I don't know the window. Maybe it's going to be fast, because all these applications, you need to do it fast. Get your document before you do what? You you begin the application. Alright, so upload your WAEC final result for the undergraduate applicant, or university transcript or statement of result for graduate. You understand? So your copy of CV, a copy of your CV. You see, please go and get a very good CV. Get professionals who write CV. And if you are using AI, of course we have a lot of online CV writers. You just pay how much? You pay and they deliver it to your email. You can get them, you can get it. You understand? Just fill those forms. They put it for you. You understand? Make sure you get a very professional CV. It is very, very important. You see, all these things, they are going to, add to your opportunity of being selected. So now click on submit. If you are done, click on submit. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you find it value to you, please help me to comment. And of course, we are looking for people who have experience. Share your experience in the comment section. You can also guide us. Okay, you can guide us and just share this information for educational purpose, so that people be able to be aware. Do you know, until now people still don't know this opportunity is available. Alright, so comment, share, like, and upon all, subscribe to this YouTube channel or on my social media handles. Until another time, I will see you in another video. I remain your main man, Akimboboye Olufemi MC. Alright, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. See you in another video. Gotcha.